Okay, so beginning of this week, we first start talking about combining like terms. And the motivation for this happens really because of that order of operations that we've studied before, right? We're supposed to multiply before we add. So if you have this expression, we can't say 3 plus 4x makes 7x, okay? Because the order of operations says we need to figure out what x is first so that we can do 4 times x and then add 3. So these are not like terms, they cannot be combined. Okay, if I add in a 2, then all of a sudden we do have like terms that we can combine. Plain old numbers can add up to each other. And then let's say something like this. The 4x and the 6x are also like terms. They can combine. So we got 3 plus 2 makes 5. And then if you've got 4x minus 6x, that makes negative 2x. So that's an example of combining like terms. And then another example that we might have for combining like terms, if you have 4x squared minus 6x plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. Okay, the like terms are the x squareds. And then we also have minus 6x and minus 2x. Those are like terms. Okay, because exponents are supposed to happen before multiplication. So we can't do the 4x squared minus 6x. Those can't talk to each other because they're not on the same playing field. 4x squared plus 3x squared, that makes 7x squared. And then if you have minus 6x minus 2x, that brings you further back in the negatives, right? If you have negative 6 and you subtract 2 from it, then you got negative 8x. And then we got that minus 1 over here. So that's another example of combining like terms.